Hello guys and welcome back. I'm Max from Sketchapp TV and we will be exploring Craft, a plugin by InVision today. And so we just start out by downloading it. We get this nice little installing window right here. I already installed it for Sketch, but it's also available for Photoshop. And right in Sketch we get this nice little sidebar right here. I have a UI kit, so this will help us to test out the plugin. And let's just explore the sidebar first. So we have a duplicate button right here, which will help us to duplicate content elements. Then we have photos, where we can simply add photos from Dropbox, Unsplash and so on. And we have some sort of type and content generating feature. Maybe we would just start out by using the duplicate functionality. So we have this content element right here, this card, and we can say we want to duplicate it. Maybe let's just say we want it to be vertically duplicated. We want that it is 3 times duplicated, and the spacing in this case should be, for example, 50 pixels. So let's just hit duplicate content, and you see we have a duplicated image or duplicated card just right here. We can go back and I can also show you, for example, with some bigger spacings between the cards, or some less spacing between the cards like this. So this is basically the duplicate feature. You can also duplicate inside selections, but I think most of the time you will maybe even just choose this specific count. Okay, so the next thing that we can do is to add photos to our artboard automatically. So I just open all these folders, and I would like to just delete these photos right here first, so we can add new photos to these masks. So I just select them, then we head over to Photos, to this tab, and we can select photos from a folder, from Dropbox, the web, or we can just choose Unsplash. So this is also like a Unsplash plugin for Sketch. We can search directly or just choose a category, and maybe we just go for example, mountains, place photos. It will take some time, and then we have just beautiful photos inside our artboard. We can also replace these profile images. So let's just delete all of them. And now just select these masks again and go to Photos, Unsplash, and here we can choose People or Portrait and place the photos. Oops, I didn't really, I selected the folder, so this didn't work, but now it should just work out fine. There we have it. And you see we still have the same username right here. So now we will just test the content generating feature. And maybe this will just work out fine, and I'm sure it will. So click the type, select names, and we can say we want them to be male, female, or both. Let's say both. You can also click it again to get different names like this. And we can also say we want to edit, for example, this right here with a headline like this, or we can generate bigger, larger content with this article feature. There we will have even more text. Okay. We can also add currency, add dates, add countries, cities, addresses, and so on. So maybe we just added this 2 kilometers text field with an address. So just click it and you get a random address for this text field. So here are some spots available where we can add actions like zip codes and so on. Pretty neat feature. And in general, yeah, Craft is just amazing. You just saw what we can do so fast, duplicating content, adding photos, adding text areas and changing the content in these text areas. Super easy and fast for your prototypes, and I think this is not everything Craft has to offer. Also, looking into the future, I think Craft will even enable us to add more stuff into our artboards to create more realistic designs right in Sketch. So this is, as I said, a plugin by InVision, and I really enjoy using it. So I just will place the download link to the plugin right in the description below for you guys to download it and to check it out. So if you like this tutorial, just give me a thumb up or leave your feedback down in the comments below. Thanks and enjoy your week, guys. See you!